Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete AOL account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a My Account .aol.com and press enter. Then you get logged into your account by providing proper account credential, that is your AOL account ID and password. As I have already get logged into my account, firstly you need to scroll little down. Here under usernames or email section you can see the option of delete. You click on it. Before deleting your account, here are some of the information that is given to you by AOL. It says that your account will be deactivated forward and it will be deleted after 30 days. So you click on continue delete my account. Before deactivating or before deleting your account, you need to provide your registered email address. Click on yes, terminate this account. As you can see, my account has been deactivated and scheduled for deletion. Now, after 30 days, my AOL account will be permanently deleted. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete your AOL account permanently. Thank you.